and ho, there's Panama up ahead. What a ride. Pretty cool. Very hazy and jungly looking.
Hi!
Oh, it's so good to see you. It's been real, it's been fun, and it has been real fun.
And the times that we walk, going through and through. In that moment, I felt that I could go anywhere with you.
Smoking at 7.4. We are now under 200 miles, hoping to make it in for happy hour Saturday. That's a really lofty goal. I think we'd average like 6.5 or something. But I'm trying. The Gulf Stream's helping and the boat is sailing really quick right now. About to go down for a nap. I only slept about 3 hours last night. It's a little bit of rough and weather, but it was fast and good sailing. Yeah, just looking forward to wrapping up this journey.
Bill's on the home stretch of the almost 1,000-mile offshore passage to Panama, with around 36 hours or so remaining to go. The last 2 days were spent running dark off the Nicaraguan coast, a historic hotspot for yacht piracy. During that time, I was making my way to Bocas del Toro, the gorgeous island group where Calico skies will be arriving in less than 2 days now. Here are so many insects and birds, and I'm excited.
Actually, it's flying right now. 7 to 8 hours now. Awesome. Creating more renewable energy that our alternator can put in reliably right now. Almost 40 amps. I was just seeing 40 amps on top of everything running, 2 fridges, autopilot, electronics. That's pretty impressive. Like a self-sufficient little city out here. We used to have to run a generator every morning on passage, and with all the solar we now have, we're keeping up, which is pretty amazing. The boat could really sail pretty indefinitely now. Look at those speeds too. Had to put in the waypoint for the last 193 miles. There you go. Yeah, cruising.
On my bike. Hot pink little number. Then I'm gonna go explore.
the wind is starting to shift further downwind, and soon we're gonna have to go wing on wing. So we're gonna rig the spinnaker pole on the windward side, and we're basically gonna back into Genoa. So we're gonna run the lazy sheet through the pole, just have it set up and let it ready to go. And then when the time comes, we'll back wind the jib, bring it around, and the code zero will go out on this side.
Bill is preparing this downwind setup before nightfall, since the wind is predicted to shift sometime after sunset. This is our practice whenever we are offshore and the sail configuration will need to be changed after sundown. We try to avoid having to be on deck unnecessarily as a precaution when sailing at night, so we set up as much as possible in advance.
That sheet is on the right, it looks like good. Yep. Locked and loaded. Let's tie this off here. Okay.
I've just been biking around for a bit here, and it's a pretty cool place. It's pretty different than anywhere I've been. Having a great time exploring. I really cannot wait till Bill gets in here. But yeah, such a cool spot. Such a cool little foray into town and first taste of Bocas. Back at the hotel now, and it feels like I'm in a jungle because these pods have like open tops with a window and screen, so it just kind of feels like I'm in the jungle. It's kind of crazy, and I'm just like relaxing in this window seat, and it's so relaxing. And yeah, I just heard from Bill. He's gonna be in tomorrow, but possibly not until late, so we'll see when he can get cleared in. But I'm definitely gonna sleep well tonight. I'm just so excited for him to get here. I can't wait.
Last 56 miles here, guys. I think we're all ready to be in. It's going well. Code Zero's up now, double head sails, heading dead downwind. And yeah, looking forward to being in.
So I just had to grab the GoPro because Thursal's pool is amazing. It's not warm, it's cool, it's really refreshing, but I can't stop staring up at these trees. From this vantage point, because the lady told me this morning that the Howler Monkeys that you can hear at 6 in the morning are actually like just up in these trees. So she said if the tree is moving, to look for the monkeys, because they're not that big. And so now that I'm in the pool and I'm kind of like underneath the trees looking up, I can't stop looking for these monkeys. Until we're reunited and I'm back on the boat, I'm just going to enjoy every minute. And honestly, I'll be looking for monkeys the whole time, for the whole rest of the time that I'm here. And there's a sloth that they see every 2 weeks. So maybe I'll get lucky. She said about every 2 weeks a sloth makes an appearance. So yeah, that's what I'll be doing.
So the wind is getting awfully light. We switched over to double head sails, code 0 and jib. May need to get the ASIM out, not sure, may just start motoring. Like the sea state to come down a little bit before we start motoring though. We are rolling, sail pressure is nice. But yeah, we're almost there. We have 50 miles to go.
As I watched these incredible creatures, silently freaking out, for the most part, I observed a few fascinating things. One, if you watch closely, you'll notice that each monkey has his own method when jumping larger gaps. Some are bolder, size up the space, then leap off, while others reach for the branch and pull it closer before making a jump. All of them are incredibly agile. As I continued to watch them, I realized the group was definitely on its way somewhere, as they made their way steadily from one side of the property to the other. Eventually, as they approached a larger gap in the trees, something new happened. You can't see it in all of the frames, but one of the larger monkeys remained stationary in a branch several feet away from the jump-off or exit point, and watched as each monkey made its way across safely before he finally made his move. There were about 15 to 25 of these Howler monkeys, and they were about 50 feet up high in the trees. One was a mama monkey, and if you look closely, you'll see she carried her baby on her back across the big jump.
And oh, there's Panama up ahead. What a ride. Pretty cool. Very hazy and jungly looking. Going through the pass here.
Josh, welcome.
Thank you. Yeah, we're about a mile and a half from the south anchorage, where you described the anchor. Wondering what we should do next. We're putting a Q flag up. Over.
Okay, just put your anchor down. Great. Okay, welcome to Bocas. Hope everybody is listening.
Thank you. Appreciate that. We'll see you soon. There's land. Smell it. All right, guys. Salud. Cheers.
Cheers.
Good passage.
Awesome passage.
Cheers. We made it.
What was that?
Yes.
950 miles in 7 days and 7 hours, I think.
Yes, sounds right. Plus or minus.
7 hours.
So I'm in town and Bill just pulled into the marina, so I'm gonna get some food for Kim and the crew because they haven't eaten. It's like 8 o'clock. Yeah, I'm really excited. I can't believe they're here. Is anybody home? Hi, we're here.
Hello, everybody.
Hi. The welcoming committee.
I need to powder my nose first.
Better get on it, Andre. Hi, I missed you. Did you have a good sail? Oh yeah, I heard about.
Hey, hello, Dave.
Thank you.
She's like, I'm Bill, you got George? Bill, you got
Where's that George at?
to Grace.
We made it! Nothing goes to windward like a 747.
Dang, girl.
Viva la Panama.
Hey, you want this?
Can I quote you on that?
It gets you the chills, doesn't it?
Oh yeah.
To a new adventure, to new friends, and just a crazy week.
To our sailing family, 1,000 miles, and many more.
And tearjerker, I like that. Bill, a man of many words. Okay, Captain, how was the passage?
It's been real. It's been fun. It has been real fun. All right. Well, we made it to Panama.
Yeehaw.
We're cleared in. We did it. No one got hurt.
Woohoo! Good job, guys.
Awesome.
Yep, we're in.
Thank you.
We did it. Yeah, thanks guys for crewing. Good trip.
Oh, Bill's got a big one.
Me and you fish for days and we catch shit.
Yep.
We got it all wrong, guys.
Yeah.
Fighting more. Oh, there you go.
Oh no, it's gone.
Dang it.
We got some evidence.
I just ripped right through his face.
That was a good one. That was a good one.
Yeah. That was a good one.
He's not doing too good, eh?
No. Oh, he's fighting.
He's like the same size as the bait.
I know, what are they doing? I'm fish that big. Bro,
Maybe trying to mate.
get over here. I'll give you a bite. It's even smaller than yesterday's.
It does look just like one of those.
It looks a little healthier than the other one.
You want to hold him close to the camera so you can make him look big?
Right.
Hey, buddy.
Giant. Wow, it's huge.
I had to do that. Now I hit myself and then not pulling back up. What was the toughest thing in the past, if you guys think? Someone's gonna say pooping.
I don't have to say it now.
All I know is all these guys come out dripping sweat every time they came out of their head. They had bullets running down.
And it wasn't because of lack of fiber.
We had a lot of veggies. We had a lot of apples.
What was your analogy?
Oh, I said it's like pooping in a half-size porta-john hanging from a tree at a 45-degree angle, door facing down, while 6 people are pushing it wildly between each other.
That sounds about right. Especially on a port tack.
On a port tack.
And then you still have to wipe.
Yeah, and that's and Twelve sitting in the back the entire
one
time.
arm hanging from a tree limb, trying not to fall out of the door.